Today we're gonna bring a Ryzen AMD 7000 series. This is a 78 X 3D series that we're gonna set up for it. It has 8 cores. We're gonna run it on our actual motherboard. It's socket 5 compatible. We're gonna set it up today and see how it works. For out of the box, they do not give you a fan. It's just a CPU, but they give you instructions. For the CPU, it's very simple to install. If you guys can see, you got your little corner here, and there's actually a little arrow right there. That's what you're gonna have to find on the motherboard to connect. Now, you don't have to worry about pins no more because they finally got the transition of removing the pins. That was a big headache back in the days where you had pins, you bent the pins, you kind of messed up the CPU. Now the pins are built in the actual motherboard, so just be careful when you're setting this up, not to bend those, all right? And there's only one way. Do not remove the cover. It tells you there. Do not remove until you set this up. This will pop up automatically when you insert the actual CPU. They give you a little sticker. If you're those fanatics that like to put in the sticker of the brand or what you have, go ahead and show off. But if your friends get a better one, don't put this on. All right, we just opened it up, and you guys know on the motherboard we have an arrow on the corner. That means that arrow is gonna have to match that arrow there. All right, so when you drop it in, don't move it around, drop it straight up. If you mess up, pick it back straight up, because there's pins in this CPU entry, if you guys can see it, that you can mess them up and mess the whole motherboard up. So just be aware of that. I'm gonna come out. I'll move over here.
So I think I'll just kind of go.
The arrow's there, huh?
Yeah.
Let it go. There we go. So if you guys can see, it's flush. It was a perfect entry. Like I said, if you don't mess this up, you take it out. Don't try to move it, wiggle it, all right? Because that's how you bend pins. Now, the best part is we're gonna cover this, all right? We're gonna cover this. This has to roll back and has to go under. This piece has to go under. This plastic is gonna have to pop out. That means it's a successful connection to the CPU and the motherboard. Yeah, close it. Huh? You want me to close it?
Let's go.
And then put this pin. You have to push it all the way down and put it underneath. Okay. It's gonna be a little hard.
It's okay if it's pushing down, like.
Yeah, it needs to.
Okay.
There you go. Keep going. Don't stop. Put it underneath. There you go. So if you guys notice, this thing just popped out as soon as we installed it. Right. So save this. So whenever you have to send your motherboard back to the manufacturer for any repairs, make sure you keep this. This is very useful for that. It won't mess up on the shipping. It won't damage it more than it is. Our first time turning it on, just cranked up right now. We're gonna let it do its cycle, and we're gonna set up a monitor, see how it works. So let it. See what I
Yeah.
All right, so just turn it on. This is what we got. We got the sequel. Now it's time to set up the windows.